So hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm showing if this error problem is coming in your Gcash, your account is already registered to another phone. So guys, in this video I'm showing how to fix this error problem and how to log in Gcash with your account. So guys, watch this video till end, because in this video I'm showing the easiest way and the easiest solution to fix this error problem in your Gcash app. Your account is already registered to another phone. So guys, watch this video till end, and if this solution is helpful for you, do like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So guys, firstly you have to open the Gcash app in those phone where Gcash will already registered. So guys, you have to open the Gcash app. Now you have to click on the profile button. Yes guys, you have to click on this profile button, and after clicking on this profile button, the options will appear on your screen. Now you have to click on this settings option. Yes guys, after clicking on this settings option, the many options will appear on screen. After clicking on this settings option, you have to click on the account secure. Yes guys, you have to select the account secure button here, and after selecting and after clicking on the account secure, you have to open on the another page. Yes guys, after clicking on this option, the model of your phone will appears here, and after clicking on this option here, the registered date will also appear here, and after that all, you have to click on the unregistered phone. Yes guys, this is the main step. You have to click on the unregistered phone, and after clicking on this unregistered phone, you have to facing this page. You are about to unregister. Okay, now here your phone's model number will appear here. So after check this is your phone, so you have to click on yes unregister button. Yes guys, you have to click on this yes unregister button, and after you clicking on this yes unregister button, he will ask you take a selfie to verify your identity. So guys, you have to take a selfie for identify this is you. Okay, so guys, click on the next button and identify your face here and take a selfie, and after that all, you have to wait for some time, and after clicking on the next button, the camera will be open, and after this all process, you have unregistered this phone. Okay, this message will seen. So unregistered phone model number is appear here, and you have to click on the login to Gcash. Yes guys, and after clicking on this login to Gcash button, that will already redirect to you in the Gcash app. Now you have to enter your mobile number here and click on the next button, and after that all, you have to log in your Gcash app, and the error problem will be fixed. Yes guys, after this all ways you applied in your Gcash, the error problem will be fixed completely, and you have to enter your mobile number here and log in with your Gcash app, and your Gcash will be logged in by you. Okay, so guys, if you guys having any other problem in your Gcash app, you can comment me and I try to solve your problem. So guys, I hope you understand what I'm saying in this video. So guys, do like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.